US30 last week, leaving this consolidation zone, has shown a sharp rally and has gone close to its next resistance zone at 35 400 500 levels. Now this we had discussed that if it see 5 weeks of consolidation, a breakout is going to be stronger, and I hope you all profited there. Now what to expect next week? Is it going to continue with the bullish momentum here and achieve higher highs still towards 36,000 and plus levels, or we can see a complete reversal from here? Which position you should take trading Dow Jones next week, we will see with the help of charts first, followed with indicators, and towards the end we will summarize the conclusion and give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can profit. Do watch till the end, and before leaving the video, just press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment. That is a great motivation for me to deliver daily, twice a day analysis for Dow Jones. Definitely it helps in your day trading decisions. Those who are new must press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the daily analysis, and also you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we'll look into the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, the important point was last week was the breakout above the 34,600 levels, which was the resistance zone. See, we have seen since last 3 weeks Dow Jones trading between 33,600 to 34,600 levels, and since in 3 sessions itself it has climbed down till towards 35,400. We had discussed this last week that if it breaks out, certainly more bullish momentum to be seen. Now see, if you look at the box here, you will find 33,600, 34,600. Now below the box we can see almost 1000 points where the bottom was, and above the box it is almost 1000 points where the top is. So now 35 500 600 zone is also still achievable, and it is still a greater resistance there, and it is trading within the larger box here. So a possible retracement here, even if it tries to retrace. See, first of all, towards the end of the week it has shown a sign of retracement achieving lower highs, but a very small movement is seen here. It failed to break, and yes, it is also divergent from the moving average. This calls for a probable pullback, and hence once you see it trading now below 35 100 levels, that is the point below which further bearishness may prevail, and we may see it breaking below 34,900 and in fact till 34,800 and 600 levels. It can erase all the gains from the last week and can complete its journey till 34,600 levels again. Now this is just on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, what is, see, first of all, this was the strong resistance zone at 34,500 600. Last week it gave a breakout and a massive breakout was seen, and we had discussed since long back that we are looking forward to 35,000 35,500 levels, though the next resistance is far above 36,000 levels. Now one point to note here is, see, this is after consolidation. This is the first breakout candle. There could be a third bullish candle also till 35,000, or rather I will say till 34,800 is respected. I will not treat Dow Jones as bearish for next week. Possibly it could show still a pullback, and this pullback can be extremely strong, which might try to take the prices here till towards 36,000 levels and then further upside also. Why? Because purely after consolidation for weeks, 4 to 5 weeks, this is the first breakout. We can see a second breakout or second bullish candle again here. Also remember one point to note here. See, after trading or showing a V-shaped recovery and a flag formation, it is giving a breakout, and hence this should continue for a while. So in Dow Jones still there is bullishness is intact. However, the pullback is must. Let's see if it does show a pullback, and if it does, forming a double top at 35,400, possibly that is the level above which only further bullishness will be seen, else we may see a pullback. Now coming to the monthly charts, look at the monthly chart. See, it has got the support intact here with that as support and forming the flag. This is trying to break out. This is the first bullish candle, and if you look at the candle here is, see, first was the resistance here at 34,500. Now it is almost willing to go close to 35,500. It could try to break above 35,500 before pulling back. This is also very much possible. Else, now one thing to note here is, see, the closer of the candle, the move of this candle, 33,600 35,400, and the pivot and the median is at 34,400 levels or 34,500 levels. Also, this could be the possible closing of the monthly candle. Hence it can still show a pullback where we may see the closure of the monthly candle at with a doji at around 34,500 400 zone, Very much possible, very much likely that it could try to do that. Till the time it stays below 35,600, the chances of full pullback will be very, very strong. Now, why do I say so? Let's have a look with the help of indicators. Indicators on the daily monthly charts. First of all, on the monthly charts, trading above the 20-50-100 period moving average, US30 is still bullish. Now price is starting to diverge and it is trying to create a bullish channel here. This is a good sign. The stochastic is back to overbought zone. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a buy. And if you look at the formation on the monthly charts, see, even if it tries to show a retracement, even if it tries to close the candle on a doji, we may see it continuing in the bull run. Now see, on the monthly charts, whenever we have seen such a crossover, we have seen a sharp rally or a follow-up rally taking it on the higher sides. And in last 15 years, this is just fourth such crossover which is about to happen. Hence, we have to be watchful, we have to be careful. Still bullishness is there in tech or Dow Jones. RSI looking upwards, indicating bullishness. Coming to the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, now the moving averages have starting to diverge. This is a bullish sign. Possibly it could stretch the rally a bit and pull the prices little up and let the moving averages to diverge more. That will be my expectation, and hence little more bullishness is there. Stochastic near to top. MACD is starting to diverge. It is still bullish, looking upwards here. It has the room for it to continue its upward journey here. RSI is also looking upwards, indicating bullishness. Coming to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, see, prices first of all outside Bollinger Bands, trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period and 50 period moving average. And also now the 20 period and 50 period moving average sitting at around 34,500, 600. Now whenever we have seen such divergence, always shows a pullback, and hence a pullback till towards 34,500, 600 in the next week. I will still expect it to get a pullback. Even if it has to trade bullish in the next month, it has to show a pullback, and that is why I still expect 34,500, 600 levels in this week is probable, which is almost 700 to 800 points from now. Hence, now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators, or also let's also have a look on the daily charts or for further indicators on the daily charts. See, stochastic is extremely overbought. This calls for a little retracement, and MACD is extremely divergent. This also calls for a little retracement. But look at this. See, here also it was divergent, but it has continued its bull run with a little bullish move. So this is also one of the probabilities. However, it is extremely divergent. It should converge a bit. RSI is also overbought. This also calls for a little retracement. Hence, now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for next week. And before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, I have a couple of offerings for you. If you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on first week of August. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now first, let's have a look at the levels to see. I will only recommend you to buy if you see it trading above 35,300 levels, but then also 35,350, 35,400. Now 400 is the only level above which you can expect that the bulls will take over, and then you can expect 35,500 and 600 zone. Now this is the zone where we have maximum resistance here, only above which you can say that the bulls will take care and 36k will be seen, else the chances of pullback are very, very strong here. On the downside, where to sell, I am more on the sell side right now. We can expect, if you trading below 35,150, but more importantly 35,100, you can stay short here below 35,100. The chances of it to break past 35,000 will increase, and if it does, certainly we can expect 34,800, 34,600 and 34,500. Now it is trading in or dealing in complete hundreds, and that is why I am mentioning the levels in round figure, plus minus 10, 20. You should always keep that discounted. Now remember, this is the zone where even if it tries to drop, where it is going to get maximum support. So 34,600, 500 levels, where from where the rally has started, it could try to achieve those levels before, even if it has to show a bullish run in the next one. it has to come back till towards these levels, and hence probably we may see a little drop in Dow Jones. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Before leaving the video, just press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment, and also request you all to press the bell icon, which definitely helps in your day trading decisions, the daily analysis which I upload. So thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do join my Telegram channel. Also do join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.